So the first part of the code is the including of libraries, initialization of variables, and initializing the input or output pins. So in function void setup, open close parenthesis, this part is where the serial communication is being initialized and has data rate of 9600 bits per second. Then the LCD that has 20 characters and 4 lines of display. The SIM900 GSM, the is IM900 GSM that is connected to pins 7 and 8, which are being set as RX and TX by the help of what do we call this software serial.h library, and the RTC module to get the time and date. In function void power up or down, open close parenthesis, is simply turning on the GSM automatically. In function void loop, there are several conditions. So the first conditions is you need to set the date and kilowatt threshold. Otherwise, it will not proceed to getting the necessary data. So in setting the values by just pressing the menu button, it will increment. In each increment, there are three functions that lets the user put values by pressing the buttons plus or minus symbol. So once the date and threshold already have values, it will go to function void start. In void start function, this is where we get the voltage peak to peak, or in electronics it is the voltage VPP. It is a VPP, voltage peak, by another function float get VPP. In function float get VPP, we convert the analog value from pin V0 to digital value that varies from 0 to 1024 or 1024, 0 to 1024. So once it gets the VPP, it will convert it to VRMS to be able to get the the RMS current. So by multiplying VRMS and IRMS, it will get the power in watts. So that's the formula to get the watts, And the next conditions are all about sending the SMS through a fixed mobile number. So when the power usage is more, is more than the threshold being set, and when the day is equal to the day being set, so it will send an SMS. Lastly, the reset function lets the user clear the values being set and change it. So yeah, that's the conditions the code of our prototype or project.